Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Up to now, in our previous videos, we discussed about typecasting and also we discussed fundamental data types and they are mutable or immutable. And don't think that the data types concept is completed. No, still the concept is pending. We want to spend some more days here because these are the foundation. Okay, these are the foundation for any programmers. So to continue that, the today's topic is collection related data types. Okay, what exactly it means? Let me take here some examples. A equals to 10, B equals to 10.5, and C equals to, okay, within single quote, I will take, okay, Winky. If we look here, the A variable stores, okay, A variable stores 10, means it is a single value, okay. When we want to store a single value, then better to go for this fundamental data types. Are you remember which are fundamental data types? Yes, those are int, float, complex, s, bool, and string, str data type. When you want to store a single value, then better to go for fundamental data types. But when we want to store a multiple values, okay, like this multiple values you want to store in a single variable. For example, if you want to note down multiple names, okay, Sunny, okay, Shrikant, but storing all these elements in a single variable, then we can't use these fundamental data types. So for that purpose, we have, yes, for that purpose, we have these collection related data types. Now you may ask, what are the collection data types which are available in Python? So the collection data types are available are list, okay, list, tuple, somebody will pronounce tuple, somebody will pronounce tuple, okay, whatever it may be, list tuple, and then set, okay, set, frozenset, okay, frozenset. After that we have dict, okay, means what is dict? Dict means, yes, dict means dictionary. After dict we have bytes, okay, bytes, and then bytes array. After that finally we have range, okay, range data type. All these data types are regarding collection related data types. Don't worry, we will discuss in detail each and every data type. Yes, you got idea when we want to go for collection related data types. Yes, when we want to store a multiple elements within a variable, then better to go for these collection related data types. So let's start the discussion about first one, that is list. Now let us think you have a group of data. Now how to choose list means when we want to go for list, that is if we want to, okay, if we want to represent a group, okay, a group of values, okay, group of values in a, yes, in a single entity, okay, single entity. This is the one rule, okay. If you want to represent a group of values in a single entity, then we can go for list. And the another point is when insertion, okay, insertion order, okay, when insertion order is reserved. What is this insertion order means? You will get to know when we use some examples. And another point is duplicates, okay, duplicates are allowed, okay. When duplicates are allowed, then we can go for list data types. These three are a main important points. What is duplicates? Okay, what is insertion order? We will discuss right now. Here I have some collection of data. Okay, 10 comma 20 comma, okay, 30 40. This is the values I am having. Now, what is my requirement is if you want to represent a group of values in a single entity. So I will take one variable, okay, single variable. And when insertion order is preserved, means what is insertion order means? What is the first value I provided here? 10. And next 20, next 30, 40. So when I print the L value in the same order, okay, the same order, I want this list. So, and duplicates means here I will take another example, 40 comma 10, okay, comma 20. Here 10 and 20, okay, already are there in the list, and still I am adding these elements. When I print this L, still I will get these two means, then in that duplicates are allowed. So at this time we can go for list. Okay, the symbol for the list. Okay, how to use a list means when you have a group of elements and this group of elements are enclosed with square brackets, then it represents list data type. Otherwise, within parentheses, then it represent a tuple, okay, tuple, whatever it may be. So these are the symbols that we use. And still this one, okay, this one refers to, yes, all of you know, it is a set. And another one, which is a curly braces, but some having some rules like a 10, okay, 10 colon. In this we have sunny, okay, and 20, okay, 20 colon within single quote. I have leone, okay, like this. If you have this type is a, okay, this type we know what is this type. Yes, you know that is dict, okay, dict data type. Better to have some idea about these things. Now coming to our list. So at this time, okay, if you want to represent a group of elements within a single entity and where insertion order, okay, insertion order is preserved and duplicates, okay, duplicates are allowed, that time we can go for list data type. Here, let me take some examples. L equals to, okay, list. Within list, I will take 10, okay, 10 comma, 10.5 comma, and within single quote, I will take, yes, sunny, and I will take, okay, some boolean value, okay, true, and some duplicates, okay, 10 I will take. Now what I will do is print of L, okay, print of L. I'm printing the L. Let me save and execute the file. Okay, if you observe, we are getting 10, 10.5, sunny, okay, true, and 10 means in which order I added the elements, in that order only we are getting output. And also these duplicates, okay, 10 value is also allowed. There are some data types like set, okay, where this insertion order is not preserved and duplicates are not allowed. Let me take that examples also. Here I will take, okay, 10, okay, 10 comma 10.5 within single quote. I will take sunny, okay, and some boolean value, okay, some boolean value. Let me print this set also, okay. Let me save and execute this file again. Yes, if we observe, we are not getting that insertion order because I have added 10, 10.5, sunny, true, and finally I have added another 10 also. Here we are missing insertion order and the duplicates are not allowed in set. But if you observe list, all are applicable to list. So when your requirement is this type, then better to go for a list type. The another point I want to add is heterogeneous. Okay, heterogeneous objects. Okay, heterogeneous objects are allowed. Okay, what is heterogeneous objects means different type of objects. Okay, different type. Here, let me took our examples. Here I added 10. It is int. It is a float. It is a sunny. It is a str. It is a boolean. When different type of, okay, heterogeneous objects are allowed, then we can go for list. But please make sure in Python everywhere heterogeneous objects are allowed. In every data type heterogeneous objects are allowed. Now how we can access the list element? Yes, have you remembered how we can access the list element? When insertion order is preserved at their index is perfect, then we can, by using index, we can access these elements. Here I will take s equals to, okay, s equals to l of, okay, l of which element we want at a 0th index. Now I will print this, yes, okay, I will save this file and execute here. If we observe, we are getting 10 means the 0th index. So the 0th index is the value present in the list is 10. So by index we can access the elements in the list. Now here I want okay, here I want last element of the list. What can I do? Yes, have you remembered? -1. Okay, by -1 we can access the last element. Okay, if you observe, we are getting 10. What is the last element of the list? Yes, it is 10. Now I don't want a single one. Okay, I don't want single element. I want a piece. Okay, piece from here to here I want. So what we can do? Yes, have you remembered? I want from this means what is the index of this? It is 0 1. Okay, from first index. Yes, from first index colon. Okay, colon 1 2 3. Okay, up to third index I want. Means what the value I have to take? 3. Is it valid? No, we have to take 4 because it's a end -1. Means up to third index we will get 0 1 2 3. Up to true we want means then we have to take 4. Means 4 minus 1 3. Let me save this and I execute here and I will execute here. Yes, you observe we are getting from 10.5 to yes sunny and up to true we are getting. So by using slice operator, we can access the elements. We can use a negative index also here, not a problem. Wherever, okay, wherever this insertion order is preserved, at there we can play games by using slice operator. Now I want to add one element to the list. Further, we have okay L dot append. Okay, L dot append of yes, which element you want to add. For example, I want to add 100. Okay, 100 I want to add to the list. Now let me print the list. So I will save this file and execute here. Yes, have you observed? 100 is added. Okay, but if you observe, it is added at the end. Okay, at the end of the list, 100 is added. By using append, we can only add the elements at the end. But still there are ways we can add element at anywhere. Okay, there is a list separate topic. There we will discuss all those things. Now we added this 100 element. Now what I want is I want to delete Sunny. Okay, I want to delete Sunny. So for that we have okay remove okay remove off yes what you want to delete Sunny. Okay, now let me save and execute the file here. Yes, if you observe the list, the Sunny is missing out. Don't worry about missing of Sunny. Okay, now the another point that I want to show here is now what I will take is here I will take L2. Okay, L2 equals to L into 2. Okay, is this valid? Yes, friends, please think. Is this valid? Let me print the value of L2 and I will save the file and I will execute here. Okay, if you observe, okay, this list got printed 2 times also. So we can use this operator to list also, not a problem. I hope you got some idea about list. So finally some conclusions about list are, yes, what are the conclusions? In list, insertion, okay, insertion order is a preserved, okay, insertion order is preserved. And at second point, we have heterogeneous, okay, heterogeneous objects, okay, heterogeneous objects are objects, okay, heterogeneous objects are allowed allowed. Okay, heterogeneous objects are allowed. And then we have duplicates. Okay, and then we have duplicates. Okay, duplicates are yes, duplicates are allowed. And at fourth point we have yes, it is a okay, list is a growable. Okay, list is a growable in nature. Okay, what is this means? We use the append function. For what purpose we use? For adding elements. Means for adding elements we used append, and for removing elements we use the remove function. We added some elements and we removed some elements by using append and remove functions. So by adding elements and removing elements, the list size, okay, the list size will decrease and increase, decrease and increase. So it is a growable in nature. And finally, we have values. Values are enclosed. Values are enclosed within square brackets. This is the main point. Please remember all these. All these conclusions. Please make a note of all these points. But I want to make one point clear. This one, list, tuple, list, tuple, set, dictionary, all this point we will discuss by separate topic. There is a separate topic for all these data types. There we will discuss in detail. We will spend some more time on this object. Just now, just I will give some basic idea about these things. Okay. No, the second one is, yes, the second one is tuple, 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 whatever it may be. The second one is tuple. It is, tuple is the same as list, All the conditions are applicable to tuple also, which are applicable to list, all that conditions will applicable to tuple. The only, the only rule is not applicable is tuple, tuple is a immutable. Okay, tuple is a immutable. So list is mutable. We are adding elements, we are removing elements. List is mutable. If within parentheses any elements are enclosed, then that is a tuple. Okay, so let me take some example, then you will get better idea. Here I will take t. T equals to, within parentheses I will take 10 comma 10.5 comma, and within single quote I will get a sunny back. Sunny back, I want sunny. And within single quote I will represent a leone. And after I will specify another some boolean value. Now I will take duplicates. 10 or I will take true again. Here let me print the tuple. Okay, now I will save this file and I will execute here. If you observe, we are getting some error at this point because yes, we didn't mention comma here. Sorry, comma. Now let me save and execute this file. Yes, if you observe, within parentheses I am getting my tuple in the same order, in which I have added the elements. In the same order only elements I am getting. So the insertion order is preserved. And duplicates, 10 true, these duplicates are also allowed. And different type of objects, different type of objects are also allowed. But please make sure here I will take t dot, t dot append of here I will take 100. Yes, what you are think? Is it going to be work or not? Yes. If you observe, tuple object has no attribute, like append. So we can't add the elements. So we can't make changes to tuple. Still, if you not believe, just this append is not applicable to tuple. Here I will take the help of index. Now what I will do is t of, t of at 0th index. I want which element? I want 100 element. Yes. Now let me print a tuple only. No, let me save. What I have done here is at 0th index, of this tuple, I want this 100 value. So let me execute this file. Yes, tuple object. Tuple object does not support item assignment. So we can't make changes, or we can't add or delete elements. So this is the one of the major difference between list and tuple. This is the generally asked question in interview room. So please aware this point very carefully. So what we can give conclusions? Yes, if you observe all these 3 points, insertion order is preserved, heterogeneous objects are allowed, and duplicates are also allowed. But this fourth point, this fourth point is not applicable to tuple, and tuple is enclosed with within parentheses. This is about tuple. Still, if you have any doubt regarding these data types, you can ask me in Instagram. The Instagram link I provided in description, and you can also ask me in comment box. Then I can clear your doubts. If you like the video, please press the like button and share, subscribe to our channel. This is all for this video. We will meet in next video. Thank you.